Well, good evening, everyone. Hello, today I'm at Pleasanton Costco. Yep. And so right now is WA50 R5200AW. They have a Samsung top load active water jet heat washer. This is the best kit. Buy this washer. Hisense. Looking for extra appliances. Where would these be? Where are the appliances? Here we have the Samsung bespoke refrigerator. Okay, if you have this, you buy this. Yes, you can buy it. Seems nice. The most sweetest kid as you are, this is not gonna slide. Look at that. For your stuff. Samsung electric range and oven. The most sweetest kid as you are. Bosch oven. LG top load washer. Oh, sorry guys. LG top front load washer, very large capacity. Washer and dryer combo. They have LG wash tower. It's very large and big capacity, very big. I'm not sure you can see the cycles properly because it's too high to see when it's off. The most sweetest kid as you are. Let's check the washer model number. Here's the model number. The most sweetest kid as you are. This ain't gonna slide. So, you know what I'm gonna do? The dryer. This is a drain filter. Okay. Like there are a lot of people around here. Normal for washer bedding, delicate, heavy duty, speed wash, download the dryer, normal bedding, delicate, heavy duty, small load, download. Temperature, cold. God, it's not so clear to see. This is so stupid, you guys. There are a lot of people here.
Open here.
There are people walking away. So all Samsung dryers, the most sweetest kid as you are, this ain't gonna slide. Samsung Hisense. Look look, everyone's there. People. There's a drain hose, water valves, and here's a dry electric hose. That's a drain hose right here. Can't see it properly. This is embarrassing, guys. It's so embarrassing. LG has a drain. Oh my God, guys! There's so much people. Like what? What the heck are you thinking? Parametric mode on Samsung AI and non-AI. The most sweetest kid as you are, this ain't gonna slide. So, you know what I'm gonna do? Steam for sanitary, turbo wash for top clean, extras for signal, and pre-wash for, I guess, drum wash. Steam for steam fresh, energy saver, nothing. Reduce static for signal, and Rico care for drum white, I think. LG direct drive. Hold. Oh my God, so much people. Samsung electric range, bespoke gas range. Wash. So yeah. This is so big. LG. Oh, sorry. See the model number. Yeah, see how it goes. Bye.